Good evening. This is phase 5, Magnificent Experience. My name is Francis Gomez Quinayas. This course is Testing and Evaluation in ELT. My tutor is Juan Camilo Perez Hernandez. Okay, about introduction. When I talk about the significant experience that I had in the development of my pedagogical enriching in the development of my training as a future teacher. Okay, the development of this practice in the virtual space had great relevance as a teacher, and I learned to manage a virtual scenario with adult students who were very participatory and understanding. In the relay strategy virtual space, it was easier for me because I was able to manage my school according to time availability. The experience lived was excellent because I began to know myself as an English language teacher, developing important activities such as exercise on the topics taught and evaluations with technological tools. Objectives. I had three objectives. First, train as a teacher a virtual space, learn to design and apply online and technology assessment, manage technology different types. Going deeper into the subject of objectives, the use of the virtual tool is a very good experience since a teacher in preparation we must be updated, and the most important objective is to meet the needs of students that they require for their academic preparation. Experience. One of the experiences that I remember the most is from a class that I applied into. In the simple present, I asked the student about their daily routine, and they showed that they were very little prepared for the subject. Therefore, I was able to give them and teach the steps, and they understood perfectly when I explained it to them, and in general it was very enjoyable class. General opinion. Finally, I can say that these practices were excellent for me. I learned English language issues, I used virtual tools, I managed in a virtual classroom, I finally became a teacher. I felt very good. The preparation time was quite long, a bit difficult because I had not had the experience, but now that I have it, I felt that it was a great achievement, especially with this testing and evaluation course in ELT. Yes, I was magnificent, and thank you very much for everything. My tutor Juan Camilo Perez, who was very patient and good guide for me learning use virtual tools to evaluate. Thank you very much. Bye.